This video shows the latest updates when it comes to Excel file comparison. I added visual hints when it comes to tabular data comparison. These visual hints helps user to see what we compare and that the comparison is still in progress. I added on top of the data grids and rich text boxes, 2 text blocks and 2 progress bars which will show on the selected object the path to the object and that computation is still in progress. On top of this, I added logic to remove rectangles if all the values belonging to a specific row are identical in both files, and add rectangles if values in a row are different from the values in the row in the other file. I added also some logic to decrease and increase the number of different words while user modifies the values. On top of this, I added code for saving these modifications back to the in-memory objects I am using to display the content of the Excel files. While testing the code for the options described above, I noticed that for the SP.who template file, the rectangles are not displayed accurately in some cases, but displayed accurately in other cases. I tried to fix the issue, but I couldn't do it, which is why I will try to make another video presenting this issue, hoping that while making the video, the idea or the solution will come to light. There are still many things to do in order to make it fully functional, but if I cannot solve the rectangles displaying issue in few days, then I will start working in implementing menus for providing the folder from which files for template and compare to template needs to be read. I hope this POC for this feature will be done in the coming 2 weeks. I decided to start working on the menus for providing the location for the files we want to compare because of 2 main reasons. First is that the current implementation assumes that files are located on a single folder, and the input of that folder, as seen in the previous video, is not user-friendly. I will try to use Open Files dialog to let user select the files they want to compare. Second reason is that the POC I plan for saving the modifications back to disk requires more logic in case the Excel file we read have multiple sheets.